Historically, Queenslanders have always been very simplistic homes. By looking at a 1920s Queenslander, the advantage for us was that we were working with the charm and the character of an old building, but bringing it forward 100 years. And why we decided on this building is that it had a small existing footprint, it had an east-west facing roof, which allowed us to maximise our solar potential. The Smart Eco Queenslander project achieves an 8.3 star energy efficiency rating. What that really means in real terms is that we keep an internal air temperature between 18 and 23 degrees year-round, without the need of artificial heating or cooling. Why we chose sonnenBatteries is after conducting extensive research, we took the most amount of comfort in a product and a brand that's been around for over 10 years. The fact that they're also made in Australia gave us added comfort, and it was backed by a great warranty. The Sonnen Protect provides us backup power from the battery in the event of any grid outage. And with Sonnen Connect, we receive a daily incentive for any energy that's fed back into the grid.
For me, moving into this place probably first and foremost made me feel so proud to be part of the solution and to really set an example for our children and others in our street that are so interested in what we've been able to achieve here.
What we're expecting from our energy bills is absolutely nothing. What's going to be important for us as a growing family is rising energy costs, our ability to store our own power, the consideration for e-mobility or electric vehicles. The Sonnen app's really powerful because it puts the power into my hands in being able to see how and when we use energy and when we can create our savings. I'd encourage any person to put as much solar and storage as they can on their properties. We're really proud of the house that we've achieved here. It's a clear demonstration that any home can become thermally and energy efficient, and we get to live comfortably in the process.
Sonnen. Energy is yours.